Hi. So our second basic shape that we are going to learn in this series is the loose coil. The first one was a tight coil. Now we are going to see a loose coil. So as we discussed earlier, insert your quilling strip onto the slot. Keep it at the further edge of the strip and roll it towards you. Keep rolling till you reach the end of the strip with uniform pressure. Once you reach the edge, we don't stick it here. For the tight coil, we applied glue, we stuck the edges, but for the loose coil, you just remove the coil from your needle. Either you can loosen the strip in between your fingers, slowly like this, but this will not give you a specific size. When you want a particular size of coils, like you want to do many loose coils of the same size, you use a sizer like this. This is called the sizing ruler or circle sizer or whatever it's called. It has many names in the market. So this is the sizer tool. You can even use your pro circle to get uniform circle shapes. This one has different kinds of shapes in this. We mostly use the circle ones every time. So whichever slot you need according to your design, place it in one of the slots slowly and then release your finger. It's going to open out like this. This will give you a loose coil. So remove it out gently. Now you can apply glue here. This is the loose coil. Now this loose coil, we have two types. One, we can stick the edges. It's called a closed loose coil. When you just stick it with the open end like this, that's called an open loose coil, or you can also call it as a scroll. The edges are not stuck but are left loose and you stick the same way in a design. So you can do it both ways. So that's about the loose coil. So the uniform pressure that you give while rolling will help you getting an equidistant circle. Like all your when it opens out, it's going to give you a nice uniform spacing between the layers. If you roll it too tight or too loose, the spacing between the layers is going to change. So I'll show you with a different strip once again. After you come to the end, remove the coil from your needle. Place it on the sizer that you want and let it open up. It's going to unwind and loosen. So you can either remove it with your fingers or you can use a tweezer like this, which will be easier. You can remove your coil from the sizer and then you stick the edges. even after you remove it from the sizer, you can adjust it according to your wish. You can pull it tight or loosen, and then when you're happy with the coil, you can stick it. You can make different variations here. You can pull all of these layers to the bottom part like this, or keep it in the center. Each one will give you a different look. You can even do it like this. That's all with the loose coil. See you with the next shape. Thank you.